BMS Skate 87, and I'm playing with Crazy Thunder 91. Is that your skin?
No.
Oh, good.
I'm just
change your skin.
playing around with skins.
Yeah, usually Addie's been changing around skins. There you go. There's our king little friend that we always love and know. Yeah, well, you keep changing it. Alright. So we're doing a quick build. I'll start building the arenas, okay? And then, Ashin, can you... Actually, you build the arenas, I'll build the timer, okay?
I'm gonna write what we're gonna do, yeah?
Okay, you write what we're gonna build. It's gonna be a long timer. Actually, couldn't I just put a timer on the screen for, 8 minutes? Or no, 6 minutes I could put a timer on the screen for. Wait a minute, I'll be back in 1 second. Yeah, it's gonna be, the timer will show up on the screen now. And yeah, it's gonna be pretty good. Here we go. So, quick build is going to start. And, okay, this is gonna be, you're not allowed to build past this point, okay? So, what are we building? Well, what does it say? What does it say where we're building? What does it say? Actually, can you just tell me what we're building?
I think we're gonna do just ordinary things, like funny things.
Funny stuff.
Yeah, funny.
No, come on. Can we make it something? Could we make, like, a nether or a cave or a normal Minecraft world? Or no, a beach.
Yeah, beach.
Okay, that's our theme. Go, let's do this. I'm going for this theme. Okay.
I've got stairs.
Oh yeah, by the way, timer starts now. It does show up on the screen. It will show up on the screen up in the corner. Or anywhere on the screen it will show. Best place, where I think it's the best place, it'll show. If you hear people in the background, it's my brothers. They're being a little bit silly at the moment. Yeah, they're pushing people around in cardboard boxes, which is a bit weird.
Let's get the box.
I thought it was a bit weird. They're pushing people around in boxes.
And
Ashton's just talking to them just to make sure they, like, be quiet. Boys, be quiet or go out. Thank you, boys. Bum, 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 bum. This is going good.
I'm just grabbing carpet. For some reason. I'm grabbing carpet.
Oh, I've got to somehow do that. Okay, there we go. That's good. Now I get... Right. Now I get a green shirted guy and that. Oh, I shouldn't be saying stuff. I'm just giving Eddie ideas. Okay, I'll do what Pam's doing. I reckon that would be a good one.
Just giving me ideas.
Have you got a couple of ideas from me?
No.
Oh, good. And by the way, if you look at other people's sides, that's cheating. You guys tell me if Ashton looks on my side in the video. I'm joking, it's not cheating. He's allowed to do that. Just please don't do it, Eddie.
Yeah. Because I am doing what I want.
Right. Right now, I'm gonna get... Oh, what type should I have? Maybe that and that. That's big enough. That and oh yeah, that's a good umbrella. Yeah. This one's a good umbrella. I like this type. I don't make the big, fat ones. I make the nice ones, you know. There we go. That one's good. I'm not saying anything, or otherwise Addy will just get ideas. Thank you for the idea, Bam.
Which I'm actually done quite good on my side.
Okay, I might change that. Actually, how long do we have left, actually?
Ooh, I do not know.
Actually, how about at the end of the video, we check. Because, like, I reckon I'm getting into this. I'm liking this. Okay, there we go. That's one. Hey, Dad.
Oh, Pip should be down there.
Oh, no. Start the video. Yeah, the thing I'm recording with, it just ran out of battery. I didn't notice, but I got to finish it. And, time ran out, and here's Ashton's. Here is mine. And yeah, tell us in the comments who you think's better. Mine, it's got a little tiki bar. It's got like sun chair with all that. And it's got volleyball. And Ashton's, it's got a big wave. It's got a snow golem in a cage.
No, that's the people playing.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Which I didn't think of the tiki bar.
Okay. Well, tell us in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
I'll sell you.